Alex here from This is Pocket Learning. Today I want to show you how to decorate boiled eggs. First things first, put on your apron because we are going to use permanent materials. The materials that you're going to need are whatever sticker you want. If you don't want stickers, you don't need to. Oil pastel, if you have. You could just make it plain if you want. Some cups with water and vinegar. Food coloring, paper towel, a little spoon and a normal spoon. Of course, you will need hard-boiled eggs. If you don't know how to boil hard-boiled eggs, you can watch my previous video and I will show you how to boil eggs. Today I'm going to make 3 different kinds, even though I have 5 hard-boiled eggs in here. So first, you're going to put some water into the cup. Oh, that's too much water, so maybe I should drink some. Now I'm going to get some vinegar and get about a teaspoon of it. I got my vinegar. Now I got my cups of water and vinegar. I'm going to put some food coloring. I put in 3 drops of food coloring because then I think that's enough. 1, 2, 3. Some blue. 1, 2, 3, 4. And red. 1, 2, 3, 4. There. Now you've got your colors. You're going to take your spoon, small spoon, and start mixing it in. Don't forget, you have to mix it well. Oma! It's too loud up there! As much as these look tasty to drink, please don't drink them. I got my colors all done. Now, I'm going to start with my first egg. If you want to design it, take some oil pastel. Well, I'm going to take the black and draw whatever you want. I'm going to draw an Easter bunny. Okay, here's my egg. And now I'm going to put this into a color that I really want. I want to make it red, but I don't want the outdoor side of my bunny's eyes to be red. So I'm going to color it with white before I put it in the red. My bunny's eyes are a bit gray, but it's okay. Now you're going to take your spoon because you don't want the vinegar thingy to splash. So I'm going to put it in there and you're going to wait for a couple of minutes. Meanwhile, that time, I'm going to make another one. This time, I'm not going to put oil pastel on it. I'm not going to draw anything on it. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put it straight in plain. I think I should put it in the blue. Ooh. Okay, the next one, so it's going to be half green, half yellow. I'm going to be careful not to drop it. I'm going to hold on to the top. Okay, so you're going to keep the eggs in this jug for about 2 minutes. 30 more seconds. 1, 2, 15, 16, 18, 29, 30. Look, it's all green. Now I'm going to go to the other side. Let's look at the red one. Ooh, it's pink. Now I'm going to put it onto the paper towel so that it dries. If you hear a lot of noise, that's my brother running around. Hey, be quiet up there! My blue egg is done. I think it's done. Now I'm going to put it onto the paper towel. Now that my eggs are all done, I'm going to let it dry for a couple of minutes. And now, let's start decorating. For the first one, I could put a little love sticker on her ear. Yay! I'm going to take this and put it over here like buttons. I think this is enough for my bunny. The next one, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to fill it up with stickers. I'm going to use some. Wow! Look at that. It's all around except for the back. I should add some at the back. I just need one more. There. There. You see that? Now I'm going to move on to this one. Ooh. Woody.
Who's your favorite Toy Story character?
My favorite Toy Story character is Woody and Jess. There. Here's my 3 eggs. Well, I'm going to add these to my egg collection, which is right over here. If you don't have real eggs, you could always buy fake eggs and decorate it too. If you like Avengers, you could even make some. And Spider-Man! You could use your creativity and decorate it however you like. My name is Grace from This is Pocket Learning. Hope you guys learned something. Thanks for watching. Bye!